Hey, hi, welcome to live stream. Hey, hi, Charan Gaming, welcome to live stream. So, okay, so we are back to the live stream after a long time. Uh, so let's okay. So we are live. I just a minute. Yeah, it's audible and it's visible right now. If there is any issue in any audio or video, so please uh, tell me in the live chat. I will do it, do some correction from this. Okay? Okay, that's good. Everything is good to go. Okay, so we have one query from Charan Gaming, one issue, bro. Yeah, please, please write the issue in the live. I mean, chat box. I will help you out in this, right? So please write the. I mean, what we say, the issue in the chat box. I will help you out. Okay, no issue, bro. Okay, no worries, no worries. I thought you have one issue, so I thought it was a writing mistake. No worries for that. So, how is your practice going on for this uh, assignment questions in SQL? Like, is it good? Is it okay? Kind of. Let me wear this. Just a minute. Just okay. We have one query from Charan Gaming. Bro, on 2nd October, I have completed till completed. Only assignment 8 and 9th one is due. Okay, that's a good thing, bro. That's a good thing. Actually, 8 and 9th assignment is all into Windows function queries. So that's the thing. No worries for that. I will be uploading all the answers for the assignment in that same link only. I mean, same link in the sense ki the same video link. So no need to worry about. You can catch up from that link. You can check your solutions from there. ठीक है? Okay, only ninth one is due. Since I was working on MN model, there no worries, no worries. Ninth one is like if you are having a good knowledge in that Windows function, not even good, matlab intermediate knowledge is also okay. Then it is easy to solve. Yeah, it is bit kind of tricky kind of questions are there in ninth assignment, but yes, no worries for that. You can cover it up very easily. So don't worry for that. You can just work on the ML models like you are working or studying. So please complete that. Then you can again come back to do the ninth assignment, right? More orders than the average number of order per customer. So we have just a minute. Studio. Okay, we have one more query from Charan. Like, yeah, bro, I am participating in Amazon hackathon starting on 11th to 13th. Oh, okay, okay, nice, good. So started practicing. Yeah, please. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's a really good thing. So that's a good thing. And okay. Select everything. Average of. Then select average of. mm, I would say it would be better to say select. Done more order than the average number of order per customer. Okay. Average of order ID from 7-Eleven store as average orders if I do this okay. Per customer, okay, then we would say customer ID. This, so select this from this group by customer ID. Okay, we can do one thing. Select customer ID, count of order ID as order count of 7-Eleven store group by customer ID. Let's see what we get in this. Okay, so we have received like per customer how many orders are there, we have received that. So that's the main thing. So that's actually the main thing, I would say. And from here we can take the average part. That's actually the main thing, I would say. And now from here we can take the average because we have received the numbers. So once we have received the numbers here, we can take the average right now. Okay, that's a good thing. Select everything, then average of order count from T1 okay, that's the average order count, which is 12.6. So now from 12.6 what we can do, we can know that that's the average order per customer, so that's okay. Now we will do one thing, we will write select everything, then select this from T1 as well. Let's see. Okay, so we have received this as average orders order by order count descending having order count greater than this. ओके ये फ्रॉम हटाना पड़ेगा. From this select this. So we can do one thing, must have been group by d1 dot customer id. Let's see. d1 dot order count. Okay, having this order by order count on descending order, right? Now let's see. Okay, that's the thing, we have received those order which are greater than the average number of orders from the orders table, I mean 7-Eleven table, I mean to say that. So it's done, question number 1. Now question number 2 is write a query to find employees whose points are more than and equal to average points of employees in that cashier ID. Okay, let's see what do we get from here. Okay, so let's play a quiz as well, because it would be kind of boring if we don't play a quiz kind of thing, like SQL quiz. Let's do a SQL quiz here. SQL quiz questions in poll. Poll for live stream. Okay, let's see. This would be the basic questions, because today is the first day of live chat after a long time. That's why I'm saying. let's see here what we have in this. Notification whisper get bits. Let's see what we get in this. Chat highlights, screen reader announcement channel. So okay, no. Let's see if we have any live chat here, or like let's see how many answers do we get in this live poll. Let me put this on charging mode first. Okay, that's good. Hey, hi Devorshi, welcome to live stream. Hey, hi Devorshi, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Okay, we have one query from Devorshi. Like, can you please tell me procedure for participating in Amazon hackathon? Procedure is like, I would say, your CGPA. These things are matter. First thing first, these are the main things. Then you should take care of the deadlines. I think that's the different thing. I would say first of all, you should go to Amazon ka website or write hack on with Amazon, like this kind of thing. Because when I was working that time, I have seen we have received mail like if you want to join hackathon kind of thing, then you can go and click on the hyperlink. So you can go on like hack on with Amazon, right? Like this you can type and you can see if you get any Amazon hackathon ka news or something, I would say. And most probably in our social media, like Amazon social media, what our employees used to see, there we used to get notification for this, like events wala section, we used to get notification for that. ठीक है. But let me tell you, when I was working in Amazon that time, I know one thing: only 2 to 4 people are having that kind of team management. Like 2 to 4 people का team you have to make and you have to join them. ठीक है. Or if you want to find teammates na, then there is a like hackathon partner platform is there. You can go and find your teammates there. If someone is willing to take you in their team, then you can go and join them as well. So check on the eligibility criteria and all, and you will get to know about it. Okay, that's how you can join it. And procedure is like eligibility criteria should be there. Pass out criteria, pass out year should be there, like this kind of thing. And one more thing, one more main criteria is 2 to 4 members per team. So this is how you can go with the condition, terms and condition, and then join the hackathon in Amazon, I would say. any more queries? Any more queries? Any more queries? Anybody? Okay. How to make team? Can you please write the name? Name नहीं मतलब like first thing first. As I've told you, 2 to 4 members का criteria is there in this hackathon. First thing first, and when you like go to any of the website, I would say like Hacker Earth was there when I was taking care of this thing. Then Hacker Earth, from there you can go and connect or register in the registration page of there, like hack on with Amazon 2025 or 2026, whatever it is there. And when you click on register and fill the details now, you will see like create a team or join a team kind of, I mean, selection criteria you will get. So click on create team, choose a team name, whatever team name you want to do, then invite your teammates by entering the registered mail ID. Obviously, it will be already logged in, so no need to like write the mail ID again. That's the thing. And once they accept, the team become active, and then you can submit your project. So that's the thing. So, and also one main thing is like make sure all team mates are eligible, like all members should meet eligibility criteria, like example the graduation year or the pass out year, and confirm participation before the submission phase start. Because if you are confirming after kind of the submission date, then it will be a issue. That's what I'm saying. Okay. And whatever name you can write, whatever name you can write, like Amazon coders kind of thing you can write. I have seen names like Amazon coders, then grow with Amazon kind of names are there. So you can make anything like fun and creative kind of name, and it will be okay. ठीक है ना? So that's the criteria and all. Take. So that's how you can do it. Okay, let's jump into the questions now. And anybody have any doubt in this, they can ask me. ठीक है? No worries for this. Any doubts you can just ask me. What are the tables name? I have to actually I have to see the table name, right? I am just writing the table name so that it do not create any issue during the query writing part, because we actually used to know the table name. And also I'm writing it on a place so that it will be easy for me to just go and copy the table name and paste it in the query. चलो ठीक है. So we have to write a query to find employees whose points are more than or equal to average points of employee in that cashier ID. Write a query to find employees. Okay, whose points are more than or equal to average points of employee. ठीक है, points ना. So let's see. Feedback table. Feedback table, let's see what we have here. Okay, so we have points here, right? Employee points. So for each cashier ID to find the average. ठीक है, so cashier ID average of employee points from this group by cashier ID. ठीक है. Okay, so that's the average of everything of the cashier IDs. ठीक है. So once we have received the average, what we have to do right now, whose points are more than or equal to, so that's the average points as average employee points. ठीक है. So once we are done with the average employee points, what we will do right now, to find employees. Okay, now let's make this select everything from feedback table A, then join T1 as B on A dot cashier ID equal to B dot cashier ID. Let's see what do we get here. Okay, that's a good thing. So we have received cashier ID and average employee points. Now we can, as we have seen, like we have received the data in a single table, and from here what we can do, we can just find out by giving a condition like employee points join. Okay, and we will do like having, or we can say where EMP points greater than equal to average EMP points. ठीक है. ठीक है, चलो. So for one it is greater than equal to, ठीक है, 100 100 150, so they are greater than as well as equal to 150. For 2 we have okay greater than equal to. For 3, for 5, yeah, that's good. Done and dusted. Question number 2, let me just, yeah, that's okay. No, that's okay. Now let's write question number 3 here. Write a query to find the employees whose age is more than average age of all the employees. Okay, you have to find the average age. Let's see. What we will do here, first of all, write a query to find the employee whose age is more than the average age of all the employee. Okay, so first of all we have to find the average age of all the employee in a single table. So what we will do, like select employee whose age is more than average age of all the employee. Select average of employee age as average employee age from feedback table. Okay, so that's the average employee age, which is 34.5. ठीक है. Right now we will do subquery method. Let's select everything. This from feedback table where employee age is greater than this. Okay, so this is what we have received. So these are the employee age and these are the average employee age. So employee age is like 40, 49, 38, 56, 52 and 51, which is actually greater than 34.5. So yeah, that's a good thing. We have received those datas as well. Like once you like I would say once you need whatever data you need, like average employee age, you need that data. So when you just keep this data on a single table, it will be easy for you to find out the answer. So yeah, this is how we have find out. And now let's move to the fourth question, that is write a query to display the employee name, points, cashier ID of the employee with the highest points under each cashier. ठीक है. So that's our fourth question, and let's see, do we get a good answer for this or not. Select okay. So we will write cashier ID. So we'll write cashier ID and max because they have told highest. So highest means max we have to take. Max of employee points as highest points from feedback table group by cashier ID. Okay, so these are the highest points for each and every cashier IDs. ठीक है. So we will give this with t1 as this. Okay. Now we will, what we will do, we will join both the table, the feedback table and the t1 table, so that we would get all the data on a single table with joining the cashier id. So let's do that first. From feedback table a, join t1 as b on a dot cashier id equal to b dot cashier id. ठीक है, we will do this and let's see what do we get. Okay, that's a cool thing. Like for the first cashier id we have received the highest, that is 150. 150 here as the highest. For second we have received the highest, that is 120. Yeah, that's cool. For third we have 60, because there is only one employee, so only one employee point will be shown as the highest. And then we have this fifth one, that is also a single employee is there for the cashier id, so 70 employee points. So yeah, that's a good thing. Because okay, right now what we will do, okay, right now we will do one thing. We will write where the employee points are equal to highest points. ठीक है, let's do this. Okay, see, for first, that is 150 is the highest, so only one employee is having highest point. For cashier id 2 we have two employees having the highest points. I mean, two employees have 120 120, and both the employees are on this highest point thing. So okay, for third there is only one employee, so no other option for that. And for fifth, yeah, no other option as well. So we have received the solution for fourth question as well. Now let's find the solution for the fifth one. I write a query to print employee name employee name, points, and cashier id of the employee with highest overall point. Highest overall points, overall point means ki how many employees are there. From the total employees we will find the highest, and then we will compare it with the other employees points as well. Let's see what output do we get. Cashier id of the employee with highest overall points. ठीक है, Okay, what we have in this now, we have nothing. Hmm. So any doubts anybody have, they can ask me in the live stream. No worries for it. They can actually ask me in the live stream. I will help you out in this. Let me first give my mail ID. It would be better. I would say so we will write select max of employee points as max points from feedback table. Okay. So maximum points is 150 for this table right now, and let's see how many people have 150 points or more than 150 points. ठीक है. We will use subquery, so select everything this from feedback table where points equal to this. Okay, so we have only one employee, that is employee ID 2, who have the same employee point as the max overall employee point. So yes, we have found the solution using subquery. You can use this CT as well, but if it is possible in subquery, then yeah, it is good to go, I would say. Nice. So, okay, we have this. Now let's move to question number 6 and the last question for question assignment 7. So what's in question number 6? Let's write this. Write the query to print product ID and total sale of the highest selling points the highest selling product selling product by number of units sold in each category. Okay, and we don't have to use Windows function. No Windows function to be used. Okay, let's see. Like, can we find the solution for this? So what we have got, the question is like we have to write a query to print the product ID and total sales of highest selling product by number of units sold in each category. Okay. Hmm. Print product ID and total sales of highest selling product. Product ID and total sales of highest selling product. Okay, let's see. Select product ID. ठीक है, तो we have got the product ID and total sales. Highest selling product. So what we can do, we can count to print the product ID. We can do one thing. We will write the order ID and count the product IDs. ठीक है. Let's see what do we get. ID from feedback table group by order ID. Let's see this. Oh, sorry, not from feedback table, from 7-Eleven store. ठीक है. So for this order ID we have this many product IDs. ठीक है. So total 5009 rows, and that's a good thing. So for each, okay. To print product ID and total sales of highest selling product. Okay, highest selling product in each category. Okay. So we have to take category as well. Let's see. Let's see what output do we get. Order by category, and then product count, and descending. ठीक है. Let's see this. For study supplies, these are the thing. for sports goods. Okay, these are the things. ठीक है. In each category. Let's see this. Number of units sold. Okay, they are the in each category. Same thing if I do for product ID. Let's see what do we get. Product ID. Okay. Product ID and category. From 7-Eleven store. Number of units sold. Count the quantity. Okay, let's see this. Count the quantity. Okay. Print product ID, total sales of highest selling product. Now what we can do, we cannot use Windows function as well. We can do one thing. We will join, what we will join, we will join this product ID with the main product ID in the feedback table. I mean 7-Eleven store table. Let's do this. 51 as this. We will do select. No, 7-Eleven store. Okay. Hey, hi Divyam, welcome to live stream. Hi Divyam, welcome to live stream. So how were the holidays? Yeah, that were good भाई. मतलब मैं तो बोलूँ I felt good, like after 2 years I went to my village and really it's a means no pollution kind of village, no motor vehicles, no sound pollution, nothing. Kind of peace is there. So I felt good, and my holidays are also great. So how were your holidays, everyone? Like, how did you celebrated this Dashera? And right now Diwali holidays are also on the way, so I think you will be enjoying in Diwali as well. But I will be staying here, we will be doing live stream. So how were your holidays, everyone? You can write in the live stream. Okay. And how were your studies going on? Like, did anyone practice this? I mean to say, this one assignment. Any doubts anybody have got? Then please they can write in the live chat. And my holidays were good. Any more doubts? Let me just refresh it. So there are no doubts till now. But we have received 5 votes for this quiz poll. That's a good thing. Okay. So let's let's jump into the question and let's work out. So what? Okay, we have one live chat from Devyam. Abhi will come back after a meet. Yeah, please, please, please go and do your work. When you are free, then you can join back in my live stream. Okay? No worries for that. Join. Join T1 as B on A dot product ID equal to B dot product ID. Let's see what we should receive here. Okay. Study supplies, other text supplies, sports good. Do not use any Windows function. Okay, let's see. Like, without using Windows function, it is tough. Let's think about it, how to do it properly. Okay, we can do one thing. What we will do, we will take the max of this. Okay, let's do it. Where let's do one thing. We will do category and max of product count. As max count group by category. Let's see what do we get here. Like per category wise we can get the okay. So it's t1 dot t1 dot this. Oh, not t1, it's b, because we have changed, we have given a different alias here, that's why. Hmm. It is working, so we can write b dot product id b dot product id as well, so we will get the product id also. Not this. Okay, it is better to give this only, just the product id. No, we will do one thing. We will give category only, not product id. We will give category, that's it, and highest of all the category. Take right now what we will do, we will just match these two things. We will give this t2 as this. Okay, now we will match everything from t1 join t2 on t1 dot category, t2 dot category, and t1 dot max count equal to t2 dot product count. Okay, be by category here, and let's see. Not t1, so it is t2 dot max count, then t1 dot product count. Okay, so here we have received this with the product id and all. So product id also we have received, the category we have received, product count also we have received, and the max count also we have received. So we can know like what product do we sold the highest, I mean the maximum, and that too on a category wise. So that's a good thing to see here. That's a good thing to see here, I would say. Google Drive, uh, documents as well. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see and resume as well. So, any doubts anybody have? So that's the last question for this assignment 7. And let's save this. Save where? Okay, assignment 7. Assignment 7 SQL. ठीक है, we have saved it here successfully. We have two assignments left, that is assignment 8 and assignment 9, and we will be joining the live stream again after closing this. Like we have told, we will do two live stream, one for the practice session and one for the this doubt session. So practice session is done. Now let's move to the doubt session part. So thank you everyone who joined my live stream. Thank you for that. And I'm closing this live stream, and then I will be joining back again in the new live stream. ठीक है.